Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you step by step how to unlock a user account in Active Directory. Perfect for beginners like me. We'll cover how to find the user, unlock their account, reset their password, and make sure they can log back in safely. Let's get started. So here we have John Doe trying to sign into their account, but unfortunately, they try it too many times and eventually the system will lock him out. So now in your Server Manager dashboard, you're going to go up to Tools and select Active Directory, Users and Computers. Next, find the user by right-clicking the domain name and clicking Find. Start typing the user's name and click Find Now or hit Enter, and the user should show up. Double-click on the user, and now you're in their properties. Click on the Account tab, and you should see a message that says this account is currently locked out. So you're going to click Unlock Account, then click User must change password at next login. Apply and OK. Next, go to the Find Users menu, right-click on your user, and select Reset Password. Now, you want to give them a temporary password and make sure it's in the right format. So I used a capital letter, lowercase letter, and some numbers. Make sure users must change password at next login is selected and unlock the user's account is selected as well. And then hit OK. Next, we'll verify that the user can sign in using the temporary password you gave them. It'll prompt them with a message that says the user's password must be changed before signing in. So the user will create a new password, make sure it's in the right format using upper, lowercase letters and some numbers. Remind the user to keep a copy of this password somewhere safely, and then have them sign in. The password has been changed. Great. And that's it. You've just learned how to unlock a user account in Active Directory and reset their password the right way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your AD management a little easier. See you in the next video.